This is the Genesis G90. The center control panel in your Genesis G90 contains various comfort and control features useful when operating your vehicle. To the right of the rotary gear shifter dial is the Infotainment system controller. The first button located below the shift dial and the Infotainment system controller is the front seat warmer and air ventilation functions. The temperature level can be set from strong, medium, to weak each time this button is pressed. The button located on the left side is for the driver, and the very right is for the passenger. To turn this feature off, simply hold down the seat heater button. The next button is for parking view, which provides several types of views when parking your vehicle. The front view is displayed on the screen when the parking view button is pressed, and the vehicle is in either neutral or drive gear. The rear view is displayed on the screen when the parking view button is pressed and the vehicle is in reverse gear. The 3D view displays video from various angles of the vehicle. This can be accessed by touching the 3D view button on the screen. The Drive Mode button enables the driver to change the vehicle's performance characteristics according to various road conditions. Select the button to cycle through the various preset modes from Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Custom. The Parking Safety button warns the driver if there are any obstructions around the vehicle during parking. Note that the parking distance warning feature will automatically turn on when the vehicle is shifted to reverse. If your G90 is equipped with the optional Power Door Close feature, the Power Door Close buttons will be located just beneath each of the seat warmer buttons. If equipped, the wireless charging pad enables charging for compatible smartphones. The system is available once all doors are closed and the Start-Stop button is in the on position. The indicator light next to the charging pad will illuminate orange when the phone is charging and blue when it is finished charging. The rear center control panel in your Genesis G90 is located on the armrest between the two rear seats. To access, grab the handle on the upper end of the armrest and pull down to expose the touchscreen panel. A variety of convenience features can be adjusted using the rear armrest touchscreen, such as climate, seat adjustment, massage features, ambient lighting, and window shades. The functions may vary depending on the vehicle trim specifications. Touch the screen twice to bring up the display. Touching the Home button on the top left will bring you back to the home screen anytime. Pressing the Lock button located on the upper part of the screen will disable the touchscreen function. Press Lock again to unlock the touchscreen. The Power button completely turns off the touchscreen. Note that the screen will automatically turn itself off if there is no touchscreen activity for 2 minutes. You can change this timer in the settings screen in the display menu. The Climate button enables control of the heater, air conditioning, seat warmers, and air ventilation settings. The Seat button adjusts seat positions. If equipped, the Massage feature operates body massage functions. The Shade button controls the powered sunshades for the rear window, rear side windows, and the sunroof. The Lights button turns off or on the interior lighting and provides other adjustments such as the color temperature and brightness levels. The Setup button provides access to other functions and enables touchscreen settings. If equipped, the Fragrance feature enables adjustability of various built-in scent diffusers. If equipped, the Seat button selects different modes for the rear right seat occupant. If equipped, the rear wireless charging turns on and off the wireless cell phone charging functionality for the rear passengers. The Display function changes the screensaver timeout settings while using other features such as massage. The Graphic theme enables the selection of various themes that are available for the screen. The Illumination button enables the adjustment of the brightness of the screen, either automatically or manually. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.